The ETC creates a positive electrostatic potential outside the plasma membrane and a negative potential inside. The excess protons outside are strongly attracted to the inside, but are blocked by the membrane. One path is open to the protons, but they must do work to use it. ATP synthase is essentially a motor constructed of proteins. The proton must travel through that motor in order to return to the cell, creating an electric current that powers the motor. As the motor turns, it adds a phosphate group to ADP, creating ATP. Electrical energy is transformed into chemical energy. Click here for a video of ATP synthase. Hydroelectric dams are a great analogy for the OP process. The Hoover Dam is a massive structure that holds back the potential energy of 9 trillion gallons of water. Like oxidative phosphorylation, it creates a gradient and then exploits the stored energy by allowing water to pass through a small pipeline, transforming it to kinetic energy. Massive turbines are spun, causing the kinetic energy to be turned into mechanical energy, which is utilized to make electrical energy. So remember earlier you were asked to calculate and make a prediction about how much ATP would be yielded in this process. And you probably calculated earlier that we would expect to get 38 ATP molecules by the time we'd converted all the NADH and FADH2 to ATP. The actual yield is between 36 to 38 ATP molecules per glucose molecule. The reason for the small variance is that in some cases energy is needed to transport the NADH molecules to the site of the ETC.